Hey everybody, I hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. I grew a mustache and I've been working on this French cleat wall. So hope you enjoy the cleat wall. So I got the idea that I wanted to free up some space in my garage. I moved my kayak, then began the long process of cleaning up the sawdust and the pieces of concrete that had flaked off from the previous years of use. I started this project in midwinter and here it is, almost spring. But I guess you just pick away a few hours each weekend as you have the time. Okay, before I do any more, I got this 12-inch disc sander from Harbor Freight. Along the way, I got some new tools to try and organize all the stuff that had accumulated. It's pretty much fully assembled, which is cool, and there's even a disc pad on there. So with the disc sander in place, I was able to start on these Cubbies. I used recycled, I think it's fur, kind of a tote that I can use as I'm cleaning up each space and just throw stuff in so that I can try and keep those horizontal surfaces clear. But inevitably all the horizontal surfaces just get stacked up with everything, and the tiger moth camper being in the garage didn't help. So I started on this French cleat project. I chose OSB as kind of the substrate just because it's so cheap. Here I am just mocking it up. And it's coming together, but the OSB looks so cheap. And it just didn't go with the nice patinaed wood of my old garage. So I thought I'd just spray paint it and kind of mute the overall pattern of the OSB. I thought I'd take it slow and kind of mock up what one was going to look like painted before I moved on. And I kind of like the way that it looks. I was able to make a bunch of tool holders just out of scrap, and that little area of my garage is starting to look pretty sharp. So I moved on to the next wall. This long kind of ledger board thing, I'm definitely going to reuse this. So here I'm just kind of mocking up how I might do a bench. I'm not sure I'll end up doing the bench top this way, but I'm just kind of playing around with saving some money, but also making it stout and useful. This was going to be a waste of space though. I'm just putting up one of these mini French cleats near the garage door entry, and I really like it. And it's fun to use up scraps to make random tool holders. So I decided I really wanted to keep some of the open bays between the studs on this wall. I put some additional blocking and framing in this wall just to kind of help hold these panels. But I was really anxious to get the cleats screwed down to start trying it out. I ran out of OSB, so I'll fill in that odd part later. And these old boards that I pulled off the wall earlier, I'm gonna make something out of this. Okay, here it is. It's not done, but I'm finding that I'm enjoying organizing and creating tool holders. I'll be updating this as I do more work on the garage. Again, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.